Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery from the Honda Shadow 600. Removing the battery is very simple. So all you do is you remove the cover on the right side. Let me put that aside. And you also need to remove the cover on the other side too, on the left side. Now what you need to do next is you have to remove this two screw, right? One is right here, so you remove that one. I already took the liberty to remove it, loosen it up, and then there's another one which is right here. So after you remove both of those, you should able to take the cover out. Just pull it out slowly. There you go. So you lay that on one side, and now you got to the battery itself is right here. So remove the positive, which I did, and there's another, the negative is on the other side, so you have to remove it. You have to go to the other side. So the negative post is right here. Near the key switch, so it's right here. So you take that out too with a Phillip. So after you remove both those, you should able to pull the battery out. The space is kind of tight, so just have to wiggle it out. And you should able to pull it out. There you go. That's it. So you pull it out, and that's the space of the battery. So after you pull it out, go ahead, if you have a tester like I did, you just test it. Let me test the battery and see if it's any good. So negative, go to negative, and positive, go to positive. Right, and now you just need to check it. Go to check, enter vehicle. This is the AMG. The CC is 190. Enter testing. So it's a good battery. There you go. So go ahead and unplug that. And since you remove the cover and the battery, just go ahead and try to clean everything off. If it's dirty or you have any trash in there, go ahead and clean that off, and just do the reverse process and put it back in, and that's it. So this is going to be a short video, and I hope you guys find it helpful, find it useful, and but oh, my suggestion too, if your old battery is not a AGM, go ahead and get the AGM. It's lasts longer, and it doesn't cost that much more than the regular flatted one. So that's just my opinion, but that's it. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.